English to Pashto sentences.
I am done listening to you. Masta der wawredo. I am done listening to you. It has a feel of its own. د دې خپله یو مزه ده. It has a feel of its own. Your scolding me was not fair. ستا زما رټل صحیح نه و. Your scolding me was not fair. There is more sugar in tea. په چای کې چینی سیوا ده. There is more sugar in tea. There is a lot of hustle bustle in his house. د هغه په کور کې ډیر چهل پهل دی. There is a lot of hustle bustle in his house. I am used to it. زه د دې سره عادت یم. I am used to it. It's obvious. ښکاره خبره ده. It's obvious. I am not such a maid. زه دومره لیونی نه یم. I am not such a maid. I don't like tall talks. زما اوږدې خبرې نه دي خوښې. I don't like tall talks. It's getting hotter day by day. ورځ تر ورځه ګرمي سیوا کیږي. It's getting hotter day by day. I am keen to talk to you. زه ستا سره د خبرو کولو دپاره بېقرار یم. I am keen to talk to you. You are so called friend. ته صرف په نوم ملګری یې. You are so called friend. Even walls have ears. دیوالونه هم غوږونه لري. Even walls have ears. You always up to some mischief. چې کله ګورم څه نه څه الټه کارونه کوي. You always up to some mischief. I am not gonna yield with your threats. زه ستا د دمکیانو نه یریدو واله نه یم. I am not gonna yield with your threats. Whatever you want to do, go for it. چې څه کوې نو وکړه. Whatever you want to do, go for it. He is a man of few words. هغه لږې خبرې کوي. He is a man of few words. Don't fall for it. د هغه په خبرو کې مه راځه. Don't fall for it. He grew up in no time. هغه زر تر زره لوی شو. He grew up in no time. It was my misunderstanding. دا زما غلط فهمي وه. It was my misunderstanding. It crossed the limits today. نن خو په حد وشو. It crossed the limits today. What is the use of it? د دې څه فایده ده. What is the use of it? He has a flexible mind. د هغه ذهن کله هم بدلیدی شي. He has a flexible mind. He is not true with his words. هغه په خبره کلک نه دی. He is not true with his words. Teacher punished me for no reason. استاز مالا بے وجې سزا راکړه. Teacher punished me for no reason. What's so special about her? په هغې کې داسې څه خاص خبره ده. What's so special about her? Get a chair from that room. د دغې کمرې نه کرسۍ راوړه. Get a chair from that room. Rest everything is fine. باقی هر څه صحیح دي. Rest everything is fine. Don't compel me. ما مجبوره کوه ما. Don't compel me. I did not dare to say even a single word. زما د یو لفظ ویلو هم همت ونه شو. I did not dare to say even a single word. It's too bad that you failed. ډېر بد وشو چې ته فیل شوې. It's too bad that you failed. Burn the fire. اور ولګوه. Burn the fire. You are a selfish friend. ته مطلبي ملګری. You are a selfish friend. What is your worth? A man of little worth. ستا حیثیت څه دی د 2 پیسو سړیه. What is your worth? A man of little worth. He is not worth it. هغه د دې لایق نه دی. He is not worth it. I knew for the very beginning. ماته د مخکې نه پته وه. I knew for the very beginning. Do you like to drink juice? آیا ته جوس سکل خوښی؟ Do you like to drink juice? What she most hate is drinking alcohol. د هغې شراب سکل ډېر بدی شي. What she most hate is drinking alcohol. What I most hate is abusing. زما کنزل ډېر زیات بدی شي. What I most hate is abusing. It's a matter of every day. دا خو روزانه خبره ده. It's a matter of every day. I have full faith on you. زما پتا پوره باور دی. I have full faith on you. Are you drunk? شراب دې څښلی دي کو. Are you drunk? I will never betray you. زه به تاله هیڅ چرې دوکه در نه کم. I will never betray you. Children have to be made understand. واړه پویول یي. Children have to be made understand. I am not one of them. زه د دینه نه یم. I am not one of them. People often change with time. خلق اکثر د وخت سره بدلیږي. People often change with time. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.